I tripled my clients' eBay sales using this simple trick, and you can too. I'll show you in today's video. Okay, so the first example is the brute force attack, and this is where you create multiple listings for different people. So it's the same product, multiple listings. For example, if you were selling a tennis ball and you are a tennis ball manufacturer, you're selling on eBay. Who do you target? You can target men. So you create 10 listings just targeting men. And you're like, men's tennis ball on eBay. You create another 10 targeting women, another 10 targeting girls, another 10 targeting boys, another 10 targeting older men. This is the best tennis ball for older men. This is the best tennis ball for younger children. And that's what we do for our clients, is create a brute force campaign. So it's different first images, different titles. Sometimes it's different pricing by like a couple cents, $19.99, $19.95, $19.97. So that way you're targeting everybody you can, and you're showing up as many times as possible on eBay. And this helps us generate at least 3 times, even 10 times as much sales during the holiday season. Now, what it is you can see it says, who's this sold by? Our Hickaway. Hickaway. This is sold by Hickaway. They look different. Now, here's one I just gave you an example. This one is targeting a middle-aged woman. So now it's like, oh, this is for a middle-aged woman. So now we're targeting that. Hickaway. This one looks like it's just a regular seller. Hickaway. Hickaway again. We're pretty much taking up the whole first page so nobody else can compete with us. Hickaway. 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 Now you can see this one right here. We are now targeting a middle-aged woman or a younger woman. It looks like a young adult. And this is going to help us sell as well. So all of these strategies are what help us increase our client sales, especially during the holiday season. But even during the regular season, this helps clients at least 3x their sales if you do it right. Another example is right here. You can see this product is more for women, right? But what we did was we're like, okay, let's try to make another listing where it just doesn't show a woman at the front. And we did that, and you can see the sales are even higher. So it's the same exact product, different keywords, different first image, practically the same secondary images. We just changed the order, okay? And that helped increase sales. Just this tiny thing generated an extra 11 sales. So if you're creating one new listing and it's generating another 11 sales, I mean, this is a no-brainer at the end of the day, and it should increase from there depending on how many you create. So that's going to be the first one. My second tip, and this is what we do again, is implementing the tool 3D Sellers. So a lot of people don't know eBay tools and they don't trust them, but this one helps automate urgency, automate replies, automate positive feedback, automate negative feedback, offers, and then semi-automates templates for your listings. This tool is one of the best, and there's also a link in the description. They give you a 7-day free trial. The link also gives you a discount after that, but you might as well try it out for free to see how it works. Now you can see right here, automates urgencies, the first one. So it's going to sync all of your eBay listings into this tool. Now let's say I have 999 tennis balls. Okay. But you don't want to tell the customers, the buyers, that you have 999. You want to create urgency. And what we do is we say we have 999, but we're going to show on eBay that we only have 2. So what that does is it looks like this. We just did this for a client. We just created this listing and they already have 4 sold. It says there's only 2 available. And what happens is if somebody buys one of them, this tool automatically pushes it back to 2, and they delete it from our actual warehouse inventory. If we put it as 1 and they purchase it, it automatically again puts it right back to 1 in stock. So this helps create urgency, and this does increase sales very quickly. Also, there's another one where it automates responders. So what happens a lot of times on eBay is what ruins your account is negative feedback. If you have any negative feedback, it really hurts your sales on eBay, right? And what you want to do is have an auto responder. So on weekends, what you can do is, if you don't want to be responding to every single message, you want to actually take a breather on weekends. You know how angry customers get. You can implement an autoresponder that right when a customer sends a question on the weekend, it'll automatically say, "Hi, we are a small business. We will get back to you within 24 hours and solve your issue or inquiry. Not a problem. We are so sorry about our delay. Thank you so much." Just sending an automated response is going to make an angry person disengage. And that's your goal, to help mitigate reviews and help actually enjoy your weekend, instead of looking at your phone. Is there a new message? There's a new eBay message, and then dealing with some BS when you can do it on a weekday. Next is going to be automating positive feedback and automating negative feedback removal. So this one, right when somebody leaves me a positive feedback, it automatically thanks them and then automatically leaves them positive feedback as well. So that's automated now. Okay, awesome. Right when an item is shipped, so right when I buy the shipping label, it automatically emails the customer and says, "Hey, thank you so much for buying. Here is your tracking number." So it gives them their tracking number. So that way they're not reaching out to, "Where's my track?" You know how people are on eBay. So it automatically automates that. It shows them that you shipped it. Right when somebody leaves negative feedback, it automatically reaches out to them. And then it starts that conversation where you can fix their problem and potentially get it removed, which is super important, because right when somebody leaves negative feedback, you only have a certain amount of time before they're just like, "F you." If you reach out to them right away, they're gonna be like, "Oh shit, like this person actually cares," especially if you have a really good message. Next is gonna be automating offers. So people, you're usually trying to get discounts. You can automate offers if you know what that is. Last but not least is going to be automating templates. So again, you can kind of go and click on templates, and you can make your listing automatically desktop, mobile, iPad, whatever optimized. Not only that, it's going to look extremely, so if we're on our iPhone, it's going to have your company, it's going to have the contact button, the view all items button, and it's going to have pictures of your listings, right? So you can have pictures of your listings on here, and your description, your shipping policy, and then other listings to upsell them. So this is this is definitely going to increase sales as well. Again, there's a link in the description with a free trial and a discount. But that's it for today's video. If you want more eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an eBay seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on eBay, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full eBay account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, optimizing your listings, automating it, increasing your sales. And of course, we have a real customer service and a real design team that's going to be triple checking, making sure not only the automations are working, but your account is properly managed. The benefit of this is so you can focus on your business, expanding your product line, while we're doing the daily operations and expanding your sales. Save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.